everybody, welcome to another vlog in Prague. Or should I say Praha? It's day 3. Shut up, please, will you? It's day 3 in Prague, and today we are packed up. And like, I just have to shut the suitcase, otherwise I'm pretty impressed with my packing this time, though. It was quick, it was efficient. Good job, Prajakta. So now we're going to check out of Prague. We're going for breakfast right now, but after that we're going to check out of Prague and we are going to Brno. I would say Brno, but that's not what they say it here. We're going to Brno. So it's a 3-hour bus ride, I think, and then we're in a new city in the Czech Republic. Look at how cute they look. So I think I'm just waiting for everyone to get ready and then we go off to breakfast. Let's go. Alrighty guys, so we've taken a little pit stop on our way to Brno, and we're at this gorgeous location. Like if petrol pumps were this snazzy in Mumbai, I would never leave them. Look at that. Look at the view, you guys. It's gorgeous. This is also my first time seeing Christmas trees like without any fake snow. Prague, you surprise me every minute, I swear to God. Alrighty guys, so we are in Brno. Look at it. It's cold. It is quite cold. There's some snow. Can you see it there? Yup. So right now we're at this place called Hotel International for lunch. We're gonna have a quick lunch. Then I'm going live on my YouTube to celebrate 400k, to celebrate Prague, and Czech Republic. And yeah, I think that's the update for now. Look at these two buildings. Everything here is like so aesthetically painted, it's gorgeous. Hey guys, so we've come to this place called Stopkova for lunch. I'm having the Pilsen goulash. So it's beef in spicy sauce. So let's see. Okay, so we got done with lunch and now we are walking. We're going to the underground beer cellars?
Labyrinth. No beer cellars.
Not beer.
You will see.
I don't know how to explain it to you, but let's go. We're gonna go underground to tunnels and through the labyrinth. So the tunnels look something like this. So we're gonna go here now. And then we're gonna come out on the opposite side of the square. So we were just out here in the streets. Our hands are freezing by the way, the cold is hitting in now. And we were admiring this building. We were like, wow, what a building, what great architecture. And then we find out that this is actually a hotel. Let's go in. It is called Barcelo Hotels and Resorts. But look at this place, it's gorgeous, you guys. I don't believe we're living here. Let me show you the room, it's gorgeous. To the town hall tower in the city center, and so outside the tower we were like, oh, it's so tall, yay, we're gonna go up to the top of it. And now we've just been told that it's just 170 steps, and in this cold we're like made it to the top floor. Look, there's a little Christmas market there. Everything here looks like Hogwarts. Look at that. Can you see that building? Yeah. Looks like Hogwarts. So right now we are having some beet salad. Everyone's here. Guys, say hi. Hi. Hello. How's your salad?
Edge of steak
Just beat it.
So Rashmi wants to join Curly Tales as the caption giver.
She's hired.
Almost. They were all very edge.
Azan is Rashmi's boss. So yeah, all of us are chilling. We're in a good mood because there's good food and all of us shop. I got some little bit shopping, not much. So our dinner's here.
Very translated, have a good taste. Nice.
And in Czech they say Dobro Kuch. Dobro Kuch, which means have a great taste, which means bon appetit. So I think we're having the grilled duck breast. Yeah.
With pumpkin puree.
Pumpkin puree. So yeah, let's dig in. Good morning, you guys. It is day 4 in the Czech Republic. This is our last day in Brno, by the way. We're all packed up and now we're gonna check out, have breakfast and then go for a walking tour of Brno. I'm really sorry I didn't end the vlog last night, but after dinner we went to all the quirky bars in Brno, and by the time I got home, I was pretty tired. Trust me, I wasn't drunk. I was just tired. I got home and I just passed out. Also, the bars were very dark and crowded, so I put my camera inside because you never know. Anyway, today is a bright new day and yeah, let's go get some breakfast. So we're at this really old church from the 11th century. Look at that. It's so pretty. So it took almost 800 years to finish making this church. Hey, so this was the spot where I went live from on my YouTube channel on Tuesday. That's yesterday. And there's the bata that I got. So during the live video, I'm talking, and in the frame I was like, bata?
It's Czech, you know that, right?
Surprising that it's
What?
It's a Czech brand.
Baya.
It's Baya, it's a Czech brand.
I'm thinking it's Indian.
We always thought it was Indian. It's a Czech brand.
Le-
Came from Czech to India.
We've always been saying Tata and Bata.
Yeah. but it's
I
not
was
Bata.
so happy about seeing bata here. I was like, ah, make in India.
And it is a Czech brand.
Oh, it's called Baya actually. Disappointed. Anyway, now we're going under the church because nothing much. We're just going to see some skeletons, skulls. You know, casual. Kamya is very excited.
Yeah.
She's
I love
very
ghosts.
yeah. She's very into skulls these days. Let's go. Ossuaries were used to bury bones when the city ran out of place to bury bodies. So after the bodies perished, they would just dig them back up, get the bones up, and then bury them in a hole. So what we're doing right now basically is just entering a tunnel with a bunch of dead bodies and bones. Oh my gosh.
I was looking at this.
Guys.
See the walls.
Oh my god.
Please. No plastic, just real human skulls.
This is real?
Yeah, this is real human skulls and skeletons.
This is the creepiest thing I have seen in my life. Walls of bones. Real human bodies were buried here, and those are skulls symmetrically placed between other bones of the body. Should I touch?
So basically, we entered a place where they used to keep all the dead bodies. Don't believe me? These are real bones.
So, all of these.
Everything you see over here are bones.
I don't know.
Skulls.
I don't know what to say.
Look at
This is the most creepiest thing I've ever seen in my entire life.
This is the original state, how they found the ossuary. It's just bones, guys. It's just bones stacked on bones. Can you see it? So this is how it was when they dug into this place. Hey you guys, so we just reached our hotel room. Let's go in. Let me show you the hotel. That's my bag, by the way, super large. I am so impressed with the accommodations this time. Wow, that's a huge shower. Good. Hola. Nice. A lot of space here. फुगडी खेळायची असेल कोण आलं तर please welcome. आणि इथं अशी मस्त पैकी अरे where is oh almost. Again, gorgeous. Love the room. Hello, everybody. So we are out in the streets of Olomouc. Look at how pretty the square is. Every corner, every nook. Like, look at this. Look at this the color of this building and the tree. Everything's so perfect and so pretty. It's crazy. So we're gonna do a tour of the city. So let's see how it goes. So it's like 5:15 in the evening and we are probably the only people on the streets right now. Everything looks like Game of Thrones. Look at that. Like, look at these streets. Shame. Hey you guys, so we have come out for dinner and the restaurant's called Andre. It's a beautiful restaurant, look at it. So we're out for dinner. I'm very excited, like everyone's dressed up, look at me, bloody geek. We're gonna have some nice lunch, I was gonna say dinner, and then I think that's all for our night in Olomouc. Tomorrow we have a very exciting train ride to Prague. Yeah, it's pretty exciting. Like, for us, trains is like Mumbai local, not exciting. But the ones here are quite exciting. So yeah, let's eat some dinner and then head back to the room. Good morning, everybody. I am feeling much better now. Thank you very much. I don't know what went wrong yesterday. I think I was just tired, exhausted. We've been running around the whole week. But now I'm 15 minutes early. I have to meet everyone for breakfast at 8:30. It's 8:15 right now. I've got 15 minutes to kill. My bags are packed. And I think I'm gonna make a quick call home, talk to Mama Baba, and then leave. So today we are leaving from Olomouc and we are going to Prague. But the fun part is that we are taking the train. And it's supposed to be a really beautiful journey. So I'm very excited about that. So for now, bye. Hola! So we have reached Prague. I'm sorry I didn't shoot us getting off the train because my camera memory card got full. Anyway, look at this really cute place we've come to for lunch. So we're near the Charles Bridge, but this is the John Lennon wall. Now there's a very strong reason why John Lennon has a wall here in Czech Republic. I haven't learned that yet, but as soon as I learn it, I'll let you know. It's like a wall full of graffiti. So this is the famous Charles Bridge. guys, so we got done with the Charles Bridge and then we started shopping for souvenirs. I got some stuff and then it was time to go to the hotel, and I really didn't want to leave because I haven't shopped at all for anyone. So Veronica, hey, she stayed back. She's like, you know what, if you want to shop, I'll just stay back. So everyone else from the group has gone to the hotel to freshen up because tonight we have our dinner on a river cruise. Everything here is pretty fancy. You should have seen our dinner yesterday. Like, I just kept staring at my plate like, where do I begin? How is this supposed to be eaten? But so yeah, so I'm gonna shop for a bit and then and then we'll just directly go to the cruise. So yeah, let's go shopping. So I was just walking by and I'm like, okay, nice statues, and I'm staring at the statue and the statue just suddenly goes what is that sound? Oh god, so this one's the statue for sure. I'm gonna touch. What? I swear to God, I thought this one was a statue. I swear to God. Oh my gosh.
I'm good.
Okay, so we're in the river cruise in our restaurant. Everyone's here. Hey. And we're moving. The cruise is moving. Look at that. So it's a river cruise. So obviously we're on the what river? The Charles River? The Valdava. The Valdava River.
River Valdava, Poltava.
Okay, so we're there. I think Rashmi has made it very clear that it's a no technology dinner tonight. So we've kept our phones aside. Some people don't follow rules. Nikhil, drop it. Good boy. So all our phones are aside. So I'm going to put the camera down, enjoy a nice dinner with everyone in the group because it's our last night in Prague. We are super sad. But yeah, I'm going to have a nice dinner and I'll see you back in the hotel. Bye bye. Hey you guys, so I got back to my room a while ago. I just finished packing my bags. I am so glad I carried a huge suitcase because although my stuff is not a lot, woolens take a lot of place and I did a little shopping today. But I think this is the end of the Prague, Brno, Olomouc, Prague vlogs. It was such an experience, you guys. I cannot tell you what I'm feeling right now and how blessed I feel to be being in this city, being in the city and meeting such amazing new people. I am so happy. One of the main reasons why this trip was very, very successful was because my company was great. So everyone from Nikhil to Shanice to Kamya to Rashmi to Arzan to Veronica and Maulena and Marek from here and all our guides, everyone, Dana, Zdenek, I think, all of them, they were really, really nice, which makes a huge difference, especially when you're out of your country, जहाँ पे लोग अपनी भाषा नहीं बोलते हैं. बहुत ज़रूरी हो जाता है कि तुम जिन लोगों के साथ travel कर रहे हो वो तुम्हारी family बन जाए. And literally over the past 1 week, all of us have become very, very, very comfortable in each other's presence, which makes a huge difference. So if you haven't subscribed to Mumbaikar Nikhil or Shanice Shrestha vlogs, or you haven't followed Kamya, that is Curly Tails on Facebook, you should totally do that. I'll put links to their channels and pages in the description below. Please show all your support. So I'm going to end the vlog here. So thank you so much for watching, you guys. Thank you so much for everything you do for me. I will see you guys on Thursday or whenever I upload this vlog. I don't know. But if you like it, give it a big fat thumbs up. Don't forget, I come up with new videos every Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you should do that because it's free. I'm going to go now until we meet. Love, love.